take her own decision to select her own groom. And these provisions are done into the Indian Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Ladies were not allowed to take divorce from husband. उसके साथ ही मर मर के जीना पड़ता था. Yes, you heard me right. But today, the Constitution gives all us ladies the right to decide on this. आज अगर पति अन्यायी हो, तो कोई भी सज्जन महिला उससे मुक्ति पा सकती है, बिल्कुल कानूनन. दोस्तों, ये बाबा साहब ने हम सबको बहाल किया हुआ भारत है, बिल्कुल मॉडर्न इंडिया. By doing all these provisions into the Indian Constitution for all the ladies, irrespective of caste and religion, डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर ने सारी महिला जाति पर अनन्य साधारण उपकार किया है. I am so lucky to be born in independent India. I cannot imagine the life which my foremothers and my great-grandmothers lived before independence. Thank you, Baba Saheb, for all that you did for India and for all that you have done for the human life. My dear friends, celebrating Dr. Ambedkar's birth anniversary is not something for earning merit points. Just like the blind followers celebrate the birth anniversary of their gurus. This is a big mistake if someone thinks it this way. At least, I am not in the favor of this point, and I'm sure many of you here will agree with me. The real purpose of celebrating today, of celebrating this great occasion, to implement and follow his teachings in our life. In my view, we should cherish these memories. We should cherish the memory of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, as he has given all of us here a valid philosophy of life. Dr. Ambedkar was not only a man of intellect, but he was also a man of great moral character. He was a liberal-minded leader with the ideas of democracy, freedom of thoughts and expressions. As regards to the philosophy of life, he was a rationalist, secular-minded, and a humanist thinker. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar embraced Buddhism to gain the basic human rights and self-respect needed. He was totally against the inequality of human beings, and the ideology of Hinduism is nothing but the construction of caste system. For the reason, although he was born in the Hindu religion, he decided to quit. He decided to embrace Buddhism, and he did it in 1956. Why Buddhism? From all the religions, why only Buddhism? Buddhism because Buddha's teachings are based on the values of morality and ethics. It has no kind of caste discrimination. It has no kind of caste system in it. Buddha's teachings are modern, rational, and contemporary. And Buddha makes us think and live by reason. Following Baba Saheb Ambedkar, lakhs of his followers embrace Buddhism, and they are living a life full of self-respect and dignity. Finally, I would like to conclude by saying, cultivation of mind is the ultimate aim of human existence. As the mind cultivates, they seek light of knowledge. As knowledge comes, they understand Baba Saheb. As one understands Baba Saheb, they understand themselves. And as they understand themselves, they are on the right path of liberation. ये कारवा अब रुकने वाला नहीं. बाबा आपका बंदा अब किसी के सामने झुकने वाला नहीं. जय भीम, जय भारत.